Alright guys, welcome to Peri Peri. On my right we have Bitu bro.
Oh yeah, shout out to my pips in Nepal, aka Ayush, aka Solid, aka Dharmendra bro, aka Suraj, aka Solid, aka we even have Doggie in the house. Doggie in the house, guys. Yeah.
And shout out to Nikon for the camera. And Amazon
for delivering us stuff.
Alright, on my right I have Lightning. And on my left we have Fuchsia. Alright, so who wants to go first?
Alright, no, I'm Bitu bro, I did the coin toss. Alright. You want it?
Yeah,
Who wants to go first? Okay.
Lightning goes first. Lightning goes first.
Lightning wants to go first, yeah. सबैले मैले भने सुने हो ल मैले सुरु गरे Damn, इसको पछाडि हेर्दाखेरि त जिउ भन्दा छ ठुलो छ आम्मा तलबाट हेर्दाखेरि त दुईटा ठुलो छ दुईटा Shout out for Nepal police. Best for Nepal makes them a believer. You think watching Justin Bieber say never will make you a believer? Alright, chup. Damn Justin, this is the world of wizards. I'm Harry Potter. That's right, even though you have the spectacles, I'm Harry Potter, the most powerful wizard.
Voldemort.
Oh, Voldemort, yes, that's it. I have something to Voldemort, and this bitch is the resort. Yeah. Lightning is my name. Lightning will be my first name, but I hold the power of tornado.
That tornado ki naam na rakha.
I hold the power of tornado. And his power is to turn into random things like tomato, potato, and even balls though. यसको नाम चाहिँ के रे यसको नाम फुसिया त बाटोमा हिँड्ने कुकुर त भुसिया That's it.
I'm banning this pussy. I'm about to slap him with the thunder. I mean, who the hell let you in? I guess you're under it. My name is Fuchsia. I'm good with them ladies. I'll let you bite me, but I'm afraid I'll get rabies. Ooh.
Say one.
That means I'm popular in the streets. He's a virgin. Even his lips go give a kiss. Round two.
फुसियाको चर्चा पनि चर्चा काठमाडौँदेखि नेपाल सहरमा धरानदेखि चितवनसम्म तर मेरो नजरमा तोस एउटा कालो भैँसी अर्लापछि तल चिडियाखानामा भर्ना घरपछि तल चिडियाखानामा भर्ना तेरो मुख के भएको ग्यासको सिलिन्डर पऱ्यो त घरमा Yo! I'm battling this dude in Peri Peri. Most of getting Peri. You Tito was also Harry. Yeah. Oi, that's when you got to tell about party. Sitting like a person.
Okay. That was wet. You don't know what fitness is. सबैले यसको गीत त सुने होला नि 2 वर्षे बच्चा यो आमाको दुध चुस्ने बखर निक्लेको and fuck you with Salika rap in English. Fuck you with Salika rap in English. I'm a graduate of middle school. What are you now? Huh?
I'm a graduate of middle school.
Round 3, final round.
चकाइन्छ तँलाई मेरो बडी र निक्लेको पसिना शरीरको ककटेल तेरो बडीको रातिको लौरेको पोखराबाट काट्नु अनि सयसँगलाई पछाडिबाट
Punch your mouth तेरो ओठ हुन्छ रातो यसको जिउमा राको किरा हैन चुर्ना त झन्डाले कोट्याको Man, I respect you hustle. तँलाई जसरी चान्सेस दिनदिनै एउटा साइकलमा कसेर तर जब त बोतस मन लाग्छ खाली बोतल सिसा अझै छ त्यही भएर आज म तेरो कट्टु निकाल्छु बाटोमा के भन्छु यहाँ बुद्धले आफूलाई के गर्न थालेको यहाँ बुढाको त छोरी लिएर भाग्छु फेरि
त्यो सुकेको गाला भन्दा त राम्रो मेरो खुट्टाको छाला तँलाई एकदम सुहाउँछ आयुषको पालाको जुत्ताको माला
I'm done.
He's done. He quits. I win. Lightning is the winner. Oh yeah! Lightning team up.